Hey, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do some fun summer nail art with y'all. I am using gel polishes today and I wanted to show y'all what I use for my base color. So I'm using Strawberry Milk Base Coat from Nail Thoughts, as well as number 55 from OOO Polish, or Triple O Polish, I think that's what it's called. It's the black owned nail polish company. I'm also using some Beetle gel polishes, their unicorn collection. It's like pastel colors, as well as their pastel gel art liners. I'm going to list everything I used in this video in the description box, so be sure to check that out. Alright, so after I applied and cured my base coat, I decided I wanted one of my nails to be pink and then one to be blue. And for the rest of the nails, I'm just going to be doing a French tip, so I'm going to leave the base as is. So I'm going to apply these colors and then cure. So I'm going to start off with my pinky nail. So I am doing a French tip, but it's kind of an angled French tip. So I'm using the Beetle's gel art liner, this beautiful orange color, and just kind of creating that outline and then filling in the rest of the nails, and then I'm going to cure it and move on to the next nail. I'm taking this white nail art liner and creating my, just a regular white French tip, outlining it, filling it in, and then perfecting that kind of curved shape. I'm also using the Beetle UV lamp to cure, so I'm going to link a video to the UV light I used. This UV light came in a kit, which is very inexpensive and really great if you want to start doing your gel nails at home. So I'll link a video as well as the link where you can purchase this on Amazon. So the thing I like with these gel art liners is they're pretty opaque. You only really need one coat. Sometimes you might need to apply that second coat in some areas. But anyways, I'm taking this light pastel purple gel liner and creating that, what's it called? That like chessboard, checkerboard shape. You know what I'm talking about. So I create the lines and then I'm just kind of filling in select squares to give it that checkerboard shape. Next, I'm going to do the cloud nails, and I'm using a stamping plate for this just because I'm too lazy to draw the clouds, but they're pretty easy to draw. I'm just going to stamp them today using this white stamping polish, and I just removed the sticky layer off my base gel polish coat so I could stamp this white stamping polish on top of the nail, and there I have my cloud nail. I just cleaned up a little bit. And I'm moving on to my middle finger, and I'm going to draw the little, I was trying to do the little melted smiley faces, and I did this a couple times and I didn't really like how it looked. I was gonna do like multiple smileys on my nail, but I just ended up doing like one big smiley face. And I just created the outline in yellow and just filled it in, and you can see that these gel liners are definitely opaque because this yellow was able to cover the pink underneath, which is a pretty dark color. I'm not too happy with the smiley, but it's okay. I ended up changing the shape a little bit more after I recorded this. But the great thing about gel polish is that you can take some rubbing alcohol and just kind of wipe it off if you have not cured it in the UV lamp. So once I was happy with that shape, I just went ahead and cured it for 60 seconds. And look at this brush, y'all. I was really upset about this, but it's fine. So I just put a little bit of red to the side and took a large dotting tool to create these little cherry dot shapes, or circles, I guess, to represent the cherries. And I'm taking this mint blue kind of gel art brush and creating the cherry stem as well as a little leaf. I'm just going to continue to manipulate this until I'm happy with the shape. Once I like it, I'm going to give that a flash cure, just a cure for like 15 seconds. And then I'm taking this black gel liner and creating the little smiley face. I'm, trying to give it like a weird little smile, a wavy smile. And then the little lines to complete the smile, and that is my smiley face. So I'm gonna cure that. And the last thing to do is to apply a nice glossy top coat. When you're applying your top coat, remember to, you know, be generous with the top coat, but just make sure not to get it on your skin. But you want to apply enough top coat and cap the free edge so your design stays for longer. Okay, lastly, after I've cured the top coat on the other nails, I'm going to do my thumb. And for the thumb, I'm going to do the cute little flame nail designs that I'm sure y'all have seen. And I'm taking this orange gel liner brush again and creating that fire shape. I'm sure there's like an easier way to do this, but you know, I'm just trying to follow a picture. I'm going to start off by creating the shape of the flames. And once I perfect that shape, I'm just going to fill in the rest of the nail. Take your time with this. If you mess up, again, just get some rubbing alcohol in the lint-free brush, or you can put some rubbing alcohol on like a cleanup brush and just wipe this off and start over. But when you're doing designs like this, it's always best to do it with a thicker gel polish. Like if you have gel liners or gel art, what are those little pods called? Gel pods with like thicker gel polish. It's easier to draw with those because they're not as watery. They're thick and they like stay where you put them and they don't try to spread and stuff like that. I really like the gel liners by Beetle. The only issue I have with those is they're a little bit thin, so you know, polish tries to drip down the brush. But it also sometimes helps to remove the inhibition layer so the polish isn't sliding around. But anyways, so I'm just filling the flames in once I'm satisfied with the outline of the shape. I'm also kind of, you know, perfecting the curves around the flames to make it look smooth and neat. After I finish this, I'm just going to cure it for a minute in the lamp. I wanted a little bit more contrast with these flames, so I decided to outline it in yellow. Probably not the best choice because this yellow, it's not thin, but it didn't stand out as much as I wanted it to. So if you wanted to pop a little bit more, maybe outlining it in white or black would have been a better choice. Gonna apply my top coat, and that is the end of this fun summer design. But let me know what you think of this design in the description box. What other nail art designs would you like to see from me? And if you like this video, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye y'all.